Bebefinn. Bebefinn. Bebefinn.
We like rainy days! The rain feels nice, right?
Yeah!
But we can't ride our bikes or play ball because of the rain. I wanted to have fun. I wish the rain would stop.
What if we look for something fun to do on a rainy day?
Okay.
Huh? That looks fun!
Huh?
Hop, hop!
Oh, Finn, let's jump together!
I want to try. Oh, what? It's way too small.
You're right. Too small for all of us.
I wish it splashed more too. Splish, splash!
Is there a bigger puddle somewhere?
We can make one! A big one!
We can?
Yes!
Oh, that's a great idea. In that case... Ta-da! We'll collect the raindrops with these.
Oh, then I'll use this big bowl.
Finn too! I'll do it too!
Great! Operation Make a Giant Puddle is on. Brody, are you ready?
Of course.
Bora!
Brody!
It's super fun playtime!
Playtime!
Come on, Rain. Rain, keep coming down.
Ah! The raindrops are falling!
Oh, that's cold.
Way too little.
It's still not enough to make a giant puddle.
Let's go there and catch more raindrops. Raindrops, come down, come down.
Come down.
Huh?
My rain! Oh, my rain is gone!
Oh, sorry, Finn. Bora.
Sorry.
Finn, want me to tell you where to get a lot of rain?
Drip, drip, drop, it's a rainy day. Flip, flip, flop, oh, so much fun.
Big, 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 a giant water puddle. Raindrops gather up all the rain.
Everywhere, raindrops everywhere.
Yahoo! Let's pour it all.
It's raining quite a bit. How big is the puddle now?
Look, Mom. It's grown really big now.
The last final drop. A giant water puddle. All done.
All done! Well done!
Drip, drip, drop, it's a rainy day. Flip, flip, flop, oh, so much fun. Water puddles, hop, hop all the way.
Dance, dance in the rain.
1 and 2, a playful step, step, step.
Jump in, jump, jump, hooray.
Oh, hey, Bora, you have a leaf on you.
Huh? It's not coming off.
Wow, the leaf is sticky like a sticker. Looks kind of neat. How about sticking one on Dad's umbrella?
Oh. Kids, what do you think of this?
Yeah, I like it.
I can make it even better.
Finn too! Put it on me!
Finn, where do you want it?
Drip, drip, drop, it's a rainy day.
Rain soaks leaves together. sticky stickers.
Play with the
Pretty sticker umbrella. Yahoo! Rainy leafy fun.
Ta-da!
Wow, looks great. Oh, it stopped raining.
Time to go home, kids.
I want to play more. Let's play the leaf shaking game on the way home.
Leaf shaking game?
Like this. Shake, shake. Dance while shaking off the leaf stuck to you.
Looks like fun. I'm going to spin and dance. I'm going to dance too.
Everyone had fun today?
It was so much fun. Rainy days are the best.
The best ever!
Drip, drip, drop, it's a rainy day. Flip, flip, flop, oh so much fun. Big, big, big,
A giant water puddle.
raindrops gather up all the rain.
Everywhere, raindrops everywhere.
Yahoo! Let's pour it all. Drip, drip, drop, it's a rainy day. Flip, flip, flop, oh so much fun.
Water puddles.
Hop, hop all the way. Dance, dance in the rain. 1 and 2,
A playful step, step, step.
jump in, jump, jump, hooray! Drip, drip, drop, it's a rainy day. Rain soaked leaves, sticky, sticker fun. Stick them on like stickers.
Here and there. Stick, stick, sticky stickers.
Play with the
Pretty sticker umbrella.
Yahoo! Rainy leafy fun.
Hit the subscribe button.